Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and I've got a quick preview of what's coming up this week and next week on my channel, plus a quick tip for you guys. So this week I have a tutorial on showing you how I make a simple center section of a curved grade crossing, which is actually very useful for me since I use Kato Unitrack and they do not have curved crossings for N-Scale Kato Unitrack. That's what's coming up this week. Then next week I've got another edition of Dollar Store Model Railroad Finds. I'm going to show you 5 more items I got from the dollar store, and that's what's coming up next week. Now on to the quick tip. My quick tip this week pertains to layout lighting, specifically daylight lighting. You may have seen bulbs in the hardware store places that say daylight light. And what that basically means is light is measured in something called degrees Kelvin. The higher you get, the more blue the light is. So around 5,000 degrees Kelvin is where you start to get into the daylight realm of the light, or the bluer light. You'll typically see it as bluer. So when you're looking for light bulbs that mimic daylight, you're going to be looking for something that is over 5,000 degrees Kelvin. And it will say it on the box of most common light bulbs. So that's my quick tip for this week. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates and quick tips like this video. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading.